Hello everyone, and welcome to Technical Jet number 1. Today we're going to dive deep into the newly launched Motorola Moto G05, a budget-friendly device packed with some impressive features. Let's explore its specifications and see if it's worth your money. Starting with the build and design, the Moto G05 has a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 3, a plastic frame, and a silicone polymer back, which has an eco-leather finish. This not only feels premium, but is also eco-friendly. The phone measures 165.7 by 76 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 188.8 grams. It has a comfortable grip and isn't too bulky, making it easy to hold for long periods. Another great feature is its IP54 dust and splash resistance, giving it some durability against accidental splashes or dust exposure. As for colors, the Moto G5 comes in 4 stunning options: plum red, fresh lavender, forest green, and misty blue. Now, let's talk about the display. The Moto G05 features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The phone also features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is both secure and fast. When it comes to battery life, the Moto G05 has a 5200 mAh battery. This should easily last you a full day of moderate to heavy use. The phone supports 18 watts wired charging, which is decent, but not the fastest in this price range. Coming to performance, the Moto G05 runs on Android 15, giving you the latest software experience with better optimization. The device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme chipset, built on a 12-nanometer process. For photography lovers, the Moto G05 is equipped with a single 50-megapixel main camera. It's a wide sensor capable of capturing detailed shots in good lighting conditions. On the video front, the main camera supports 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. For selfies, there's an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, which also supports 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. It's perfect for casual selfies and video calls. For memory, the Moto G05 offers 2 configurations: 64 gigabytes of internal storage with 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Additionally, it comes with a dedicated micro SDXC card slot, so you can expand your storage further if needed. On the connectivity front, the Moto G05 includes NFC support, which is great for contactless payment, a 3.5mm headphone jack, perfect for those who prefer wired earphones, USB Type-C 2.0 port. So that's everything about the Motorola Moto G05. For its price, it offers a solid combination. If you're looking for a budget-friendly device with decent specs, the Moto G05 could be a great option. What do you think about the Moto G05? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technical Jet number 1 for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.